Welcome back to our series on gym etiquette. Be sure to connect with Fit Coach David on IG at AskFitCoachDavid and DM him START to get your free guide and begin one-on-one fitness coaching with him right away. The gym can be an intimidating place, especially if you're just starting out. In this series, we're breaking down the unspoken rules of the gym so you can walk in with confidence and crush your workouts. Today, we're diving into Part 5. Avoid these mistakes in the gym. We're talking about those common slip-ups people make without even realizing it. So grab your water bottle, put on your game face, and let's get started.
Alright, let's talk about phones in the gym. Look, we get it. That new filter isn't going to try itself out. But here's the deal. The gym is a place to focus on yourself, your workout, and your goals. Think of it this way. Every minute you spend on your phone is a minute you could be pushing yourself harder, lifting heavier, or perfecting your form. Plus, constantly checking your phone can be distracting to others who are trying to concentrate on their workout. Maybe it's after your warm-up or during your cool-down. Just be mindful of those around you and keep the scrolling to a minimum.
Okay, folks, this next one is crucial. You know those handy gym wipes they provide? Use them, and use them responsibly. After you finish sweating it out on a machine or bench, take a moment to wipe it down. Think of it as basic gym hygiene. No one wants to sit in a puddle of someone else's sweat. It's about respect for yourself and others. Let's all do our part to keep things fresh and germ-free.
Let's talk about gym classes. They're a fantastic way to push yourself, try something new, and have some fun while you're at it. But remember, when you're in a class, you're part of a team, so let's keep the side conversations to a minimum, yeah?
Listen up, team. Be sure to connect with Fit Coach David on IG at AskFitCoachDavid and DM him START to get your free guide and begin one-on-one fitness coaching with him right away. Your gym isn't just a place to work out, it's a community. And like any good community, it thrives on the involvement of its members. Be proactive, be passionate, and help make your gym the best it can be.
Alright, let's be real, peak hours at the gym can feel like a contact sport. Everyone's trying to squeeze in their workout and space can be tight. Respect personal space, especially during those busy times. Remember, the gym is a shared space and a little consideration goes a long way in creating a positive and productive environment for everyone.
You know, the beauty of the gym is that it attracts people from all walks of life, each with their own fitness journey and goals. Let's celebrate that diversity. Take the time to learn about different fitness interests and cultures. Remember, everyone is on their own unique path, so let's be respectful and supportive of one another.
Listen, being part of a gym means being part of something bigger than yourself. It's about supporting your local community and the businesses within it. Let's strengthen those bonds and make a positive impact together.
Hey, let's take a moment to celebrate the wins, both big and small. Gym anniversaries, personal bests, even just showing up consistently. These are all achievements worth recognizing. Let's foster a positive and supportive environment where everyone feels valued and motivated.
We all have our own unique ways of moving and grooving in the gym. Some of us love to lift heavy, others prefer a high-intensity cardio blast. So let's create an environment where everyone feels comfortable and confident pursuing their fitness goals, no matter what they may be.
We all appreciate a little encouragement now and then, right? But remember, feedback is most effective when it's given with good intentions and a positive attitude. So, if you see someone struggling with their form, offer a helpful tip in a supportive way. Let's create a culture of positive reinforcement and encouragement where everyone feels empowered to grow and improve.
Be sure to connect with Fit Coach David on IG at AskFitCoachDavid and DM him START to get your free guide and begin one-on-one fitness coaching with him right away. Those are just a few simple tips to help you navigate the gym like a pro and create a more respectful and enjoyable experience for everyone. Let's support each other, celebrate our successes, and continue to push ourselves to be our best selves, both inside and outside the gym. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe with us.